don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 0, Sekhukhune 1. I'm joined by Box FBI.
Hey, Nranza Cancer both. Before ngena ka game, Nranza Cancer bafana to right langa kef Kosafa. I played very well. They call it Agent FC. But that's bafana. Let's respect it, Bafetu. Regardless of whatever is happening between those gents. That's bafana standing for us as a nation to kef Kosafa. They played very well. Yeah. I think some teams will go for those guys. I really hope so.
And sign.
Then congratulations as well. I see on Giants. Yeah, some of the clips on Giants. Coming to the game. Sekhukhune preseason. They really went for unknown players. Let's be honest for that. They really went for unknown players. One of my boy who I've been playing with at Oliven. He was playing today. He didn't play. But previous game he played. He's staying at Oliven. One of them, Brighton Lovu, he came. Look at Mbogazi. You know the structure of Mbogazi. TLB. Second half, Lobam introducer. The one. Mfukeng take too much on the left side. Then the other guy that take too much Sibelebele on the right side. But he pushed those guys to the left. Then he staying alone. Then he pushed number 4 into the middle feet. I really play with Brighton Love on Sekhukhune. Just number 3 from Mpumalanga as well. I think you've been seeing him on recent season. This is the second season for him. Very well as well. So Sekhukhune, let's go behind it, close doors, and just check on Sekhukhune signings. It's top notch. Our team played, but not convincing today.
Poor.
No, not convincing. I won't say much about it, but we're looking forward to the next game, Bafetu.
Thank you very much.
That's
Thank you
it.
very much.
Thank you.
Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.